So if you have an e-commerce platform like Pangisa, my job then is to tell you, for example, you've had 10 visits on your store. This is what is taking place. This is, for example, why customers are moving away from your store, and this is what you need to optimize. Or we can actually do that for you. Or if we come and you notice that you have 10 orders, for example, on your store, and you're not actually taking action, by calling this person, or if the person, for example, is what you call cart abandonment, where a person actually drops off before they actually make an order. Our job is then to find out how can we entice this person. So before they go off, they're what you call order bumps. There are order bumps and order pop-ups that come and say, hey, by the way, before you leave, we'd like to get your name and email, just so that we can, keep in touch with you and maybe give you a discount. So you're looking out for all ways you can actually make people stay on the platform and make a purchase, as opposed to them coming, finding something and
just bust.
Yeah, because right now there are automation tools where we're actually building a stack of that will tell you that most people are dropping off from your website simply because they did like the color, or people are dropping off from this point because the website is loading too slowly and things like that. So when you manage to improve that from a data point of view, it tends to increase now the inflow of revenue. So you have more value going out, and then more customers dropping in, and definitely there's exchange of value.
Renee. Yeah, that's very insightful. When you speak about data, you definitely be speaking to me. I enjoy.
Thank you.
I like to converse with people who are